Hello viewers. In this video we are going to look cat chasing rat game. Now let's see the how it's going to work by start. We are feeling like really the cat is chasing the mouse. Now how we can program for this game. So go for the new project. Yes. Before start of this project, let us discuss what are the required sprites for designing this game. So first we need cat and rat and a suitable background. So first I'll be selecting the sprite. Just click on the Mickey Mouse and you can select the sprite. Now first I'll be selecting the cat. First I'm selecting the cat. Now I want to make the cat to move the direction based on my mouse pointer or my cursor, where my cursor is there. Based on that the rat should move. So for that I should program to the mouse pointer. We'll be having a block called point towards mouse pointer. So based on the mouse pointer our direction of the cat is going to be go. And now to start, we need a green flag. So select the green flag for start and point towards the direction. And like now, how we have to give the movement for with how many steps or with how many seconds we can give the movement. For that, we can give the movement by using the motion block. Select the move 10 steps or 8 steps. You can give slowly or you can give fast. If you increase the steps, the moving cat will be fast, and if you give the less steps, it will be the speed of the cat will be reduced. Now, if you observe, my cursor direction was near the green flag, so the cat was turned to the green flag. We are able to see only once. Suppose if you want to make it to continuous, it should be like moving cat. So for that, it should be continuously moving. For that will be having two blocks, repeat and forever. So repeat will be using for specific condition if you want to use only for 10 times or 15 times based on the count. Or suppose now if you want to use for till the end game, means it's a forever loop. So at that time we can use a forever block. So now I'm using the forever block and point towards the mouse pointer by moving 8 steps. If you observe, it's going very fast. If you want to make it to be slow, make it 6 steps. If you observe now the cat speed is little bit slow. So now in the same way, now cat should chase the mouse. So for the mouse also we can create to be a mouse or rat should be chasen by the rat. So they both should be in the pointing direction, so that if you put the cursor one by one, it's going to be go through the screen. Now I'm selecting the rat. Mouse. Now I selected the mouse, and in the same way now I can program for the mouse. Select the green flag and give the forever loop with the movement of pointing direction, point towards mouse pointer, and the how many steps it should be move forward. Suppose I'll be giving 8 steps. So this is for the mouse. If you see like it's there like moving, and if you feel suppose if you want to make it to crawl, if you want to look the rat to be crawling one, so now what I can do. So if you go for costumes, you can observe that cat is having two steps, like one is forward legs and other one is backward legs, means like moving we can observe. So for that what I can do, just I can add a block of switch costume, that is next costume, and it can be wait for 0.1 seconds so that it is easy for us to identify. 0.1 second. And now you feel like rat is like really crawling one. And if you want make the cat to be move slowly, so you can give less steps. Or if you want to make the rat to be more fast, so at that time you can give with the more steps. So if I'm giving the 15 step means it's increasing very fast. So if I want to make it slow, decrease. So I want to make it to 5, suppose. Now if you see the cat is coming towards the rat, but rat is very slow. So if you want to increase the speed of the rat, so just increase the steps of the rat. Now if you observe, like it's looking like really chasing it. Now I want to use a suitable background. So go for the backdrops and select the suitable background. Whichever you feel which is suitable, you can select that. Now I'm selecting, suppose, a stripe background. So this is a simple way of creating cat chasing the rat game, and you can use the title of the project after designing. Cat chasing the rat. And now let's see make a full screen and let's see how it's going to work. Now it's like based on the speed, like you can give the movement for the cat and rat. Thank you.